This wildlife photographer is being followed by a baby tapir on his way through the jungle. Hello folks, welcome to a new video where I will show you some of the beautiful moments in nature that will help you relax. I hope this video will brighten your day and put a smile on your face. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to Amuserr channel. Let us start. Here is a massive grouper fish. There is a toilet seat on the left for scale. An amazing bird nest inside a leaf. This crow is having fun by himself at a children's playground. A praying mantis is standing its ground against an excavator. Marine life specialists noticed a spotted eagle ray mother was having trouble and helped her deliver 2 baby rays. Majestic blue whale. This is the largest animal in the world. A gorgeous lion giving a massive yawn. Has this bird hit the end of the map? A massive sandfall. Curious tuna crabs inspecting a diver. A deer prancing along a beach at low tide. Cotton candy sky in Maldives. A caracal flicking its ears. A young elephant politely stepping over a walkway at a nature preserve. Here is a cozy pile of fawns. Natural greenery in Wanaka, New Zealand. Aerial view of the treetops swaying with the wind. A fox diving to capture its prey. A scenic waterfall in Oregon. A photographer surrounded by butterflies while filming in the forest. Fireflies captured at night. A monitor lizard mistakes garden hose for a snake and tries to fight it. This guy is peeling the ice off a frozen leaf. A puma cub inspecting a wildlife camera. Cows trying to scare a Canada goose. That is all for this video. I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments which part you liked the most. Don't forget to subscribe to Amuserr channel if you would like to see more such videos. Later folks.